If you are looking for a high-quality filter that can effectively remove impurities from refrigerators' water supply, then the Everydrop 1 by Whirlpool can be the best choice for you. The filter is easy to install, and comes with clear instructions, so you can have it set up in no time. It has 83% 5-star reviews in 83,000 reviews on Amazon. The product dimension is 2.5-inch dia, 2.5-inch wide, 8.69-inch height and item weight is 0.45 pounds. This product comes with a 90 days limited warranty. Typically, the filter lasts around 6 months, depending on usage. This means you won't have to change it as often as some other filters, which can save you time and money in the long run. Everydrop's sustainable water filters are highly rated for their ability to provide clean and safe drinking water. Using genuine coconut shell carbon, which is non-toxic and edible, these filters are able to remove 99% of chlorine and lead, as well as 28 other contaminants such as waterborne parasites, pharmaceuticals, pesticides, and lead. NSF 42, 53, and 401 certified, they are compatible with various refrigerator brands such as Jenn Air, KitchenAid, Amana, Maytag, and Whirlpool and can easily be installed without the need for professional help or tools. With a capacity to filter water from up to 1,500 regular water bottles or 200 gallons. The flow rate of the filter is 0.75 gallons per minute. Everydrop's filters are a great choice for ensuring the safety and purity of your family's drinking water. Pros: effectively removes impurities from water, including lead, chlorine, and asbestos. Certified to NSF 42 and 53 standards, ensuring high-quality filtration. Has a long lifespan, typically lasting around 6 months depending on usage. Sleek and compact design that doesn't take up much space in the refrigerator. Cons: some users have reported that the filter can be expensive compared to other options. Some users have reported that the filter can cause a decrease in water pressure.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section. If you want to buy this products, link is given in video description box. Thanks again.